Hedge funds lose $15 of asset value in their portfolios in the month of November. The final numbers are out, and this is their worst month since March of 2020 when the markets crashed over 30% in the span of about 2 weeks. So we're going to dive into the latest, this situation, as well as the Spider-Man numbers, because I think this is very important. Going to keep this video very short and sweet, straight to the point. So hit the like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel, and let's get straight into this. So we're taking a look at this article. Came out today, December 26th. Hedge funds protect wealth despite having their worst months since March of 2020. Hedge funds were red in the month of November, but they protected wealth, with the average hedge fund declining less than the major stock market indices. However, Pivotal Path reports that they had their worst month since the depths of the pandemic in March of 2020. And the way that they are protecting wealth is by shorting all of these stocks. That's why I have a lot of trades against the de-hedging of these shorted stocks like Corsair, Snapchat, AMC, the list goes on. And if you guys want access to all of those trades, link down below in the pinned comment for buy and sell alerts. But if we continue going, it says year to date, the Anchorage Hedge Fund Index is up 8.36% on an asset weighted basis. The Anchorage Index fell 1.77% last month and is up just 2.46% year to date, demonstrating the challenges faced by some of the largest fund managers this year. If we do skip down to here, the inflows and the outflows. This part says November brought a reversal in investor flows and performance. Final asset flow numbers for October show performance gains of 20.9 billion and investor inflows of 8.6 billion. Preliminary November numbers indicate a reversal. 15.9 billion in performance-based losses and 19.4 billion in investor outflows. So one, they are losing a ton of money, and they're also seeing even more money flowing out of their funds than what they're even losing. So there's obviously an interest to get out of these hedge funds, and that's exactly what this is proving to us, something we have known basically forever now. You can invest money in a fund most of the time, just buying the S&P 500, and more people are getting comfortable with that, and ultimately this is adding pressure to the hedge funds. I'm sure December was even worse than November. We're going to get that news coming out here pretty soon, probably in the first half of January. We're going to start getting those numbers for December. That's going to be key. Now, as far as what I want to go over, the Spider-Man movie, it was actually just a breaking news headline over on CNBC that the Spider-Man box office tops $1 billion at the global box office. It reached 1.05 billion, the biggest ever box office for the Christmas weekend. So that is crazy. It says the co-production between Sony and Disney is the first film to surpass this benchmark during the pandemic and has also claimed the title of highest grossing movie of 2021. So I think you could definitely see a bullish reaction off of these continued good numbers, because if you follow AMC, you're following this channel, you know next year's movie releases are going to be much better than what we have seen in the past 2 years, and that should allow AMC to actually turn a profit and essentially be able to pay a dividend or do whatever they want to do at that moment. Now, the domestic numbers are about $500 million as well. We need $5.2 billion to essentially be free cash flow positive for AMC to support itself and to be able to pay all of its debts and have money left over. And we're definitely going to hit that probably in Q1 of 2022. The only other thing that I want to bring to your guys' attention, what could derail some of the momentum coming on Monday, is the COVID cases. This situation, not good. Anthony Fauci, I don't care who likes him, who doesn't. I don't have an opinion solely. This is only because it's going to affect AMC as they are a part of the recovery stocks. But Fauci said every day it goes up and up. The last weekly average was about 150,000, and it will likely go much higher, Fauci said on ABC this week. So it'll be interesting to see if we do have fear in the marketplace to start off the week. But that's going to conclude this video. Hit the like button for me. Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out the pinned comment down below, as well as the links in the description of this video to get free stock. Specifically, sign up for Public if you have not already. Get up to $1,000 in free stock. And it only takes about 2 or 3 minutes to successfully do that and get your free stock. So it's literally free money. They also do not use payment for order flow. So love and appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.